best medicine. So let's come on into room number 5 and see what kind of sunshine we can find here.
Part of what makes CoCo Bongo so special is its murals, because each mural has a story. This room was done in collaboration between 3 women from France, Germany, and Ecuador. It's so beautiful to see people from all over the world come together to make art.
One of the most important things, in my opinion, is getting a good night's sleep. And that is certainly what you're gonna get here in room number 5, with some beautiful bamboo decor and amazing colors all around you. Here is a great big space to hang out and chill at the end of the day after a beautiful day at the beach or whatever other adventure you're gonna find here in Ecuador. Lots of space and a great view to the park, and you can even see the water from here. And right here we have our beautiful kitchen area, and the private bathroom is just inside the front door. A fun personal touch is that Sean, the owner, had some of his old shirts turned into pillowcases, which is what CoCo Bongo is all about, right? Personal touches that make you feel at home. And that's it. That's room number 5. I hope you enjoyed our room tour, and I hope to see you soon here at CoCo Bongo.